So questions from 32 to 35. Complete the summary, and we are reading the instruction carefully, so only one word. And so let's read the title. Okay, and we find the keywords and predict part of speech. Yes, so for example, we need noun, yeah, because here's article there we have. So these are keywords for the 32 questions, and now let's scan for these keywords. So we are reading a paragraph, scanning for this, for the keywords that we underlined. Space debris committee. Okay, so we found this in the C paragraph, this title, Interagency Space Debris Coordination Committee. And now let's look for other keywords like advice, have developed, guidelines. Guidelines might be synonym for advice. Okay, the word space, word for word space. Yes, so that was word for word, that was synonym. So we located the sentence, and so in this sentence that we located, so I think the answer will be sustainability. Space sustainability, and here it's paraphrased like the sustainability of space. So we predicted noun, so that's a noun, sustainability. Right, next one, the committee advises that when satellites are no longer active, any unused something or pressurized material that could cause. Okay, so alright, the answers go in order in this type of question. So reading the next sentence, here we have satellites, word for word, and no longer active, you can paraphrase like inactivating. And the most important keyword, it's like a words that go before or after this gap here. Alright, so let's keep reading. So pressurized material, that's word for word. Then so we have here or, and there is also or. Pay attention to this kind of linking words. And or. So I think that unused we may paraphrase like a leftover. So the answer is fuel, yeah. Also noun, yeah. After adjective you need noun. Unused fuel, or paraphrase like a leftover fuel. Alright, and the next 34 questions. What's the synonym for 34 questions? It's like a cold cause should be removed. So we need to find synonym either for this one, cold cause, or for this should be removed. Okay, so here we have that, word for word that. Could, we can paraphrase like a might. Okay, so let's read the next page to find the rest of this sentence. Okay, opening the next page. Alright, so that's the rest of this C paragraph. And here it says lead to. Yeah, in the first page we found synonym for could. It was might. That was word for word. So could was paraphrased like might. So cause we may paraphrase like a lead to. Yes, so cause what? Or lead to what? Explosions. So this is the answer, the explosions. Yes, so the answer is noun again. Explosions, plural, you also need to write in plural. Explosions, okay. Okay, and the other keywords here, also operators of large satellites constellation. Operators have obligations. Holger Krag points out operators that become something. Yeah, unlikely to prioritize removing satellites. Okay. Yeah, answers go in order. Let's read the next sentence. Here's the name, Holger Krag. Operators we found here, Holger Krag, word for word. Operators, word for word. Constellations, satellites, responsible stewards. Constellation, word for word. Obligations, we may paraphrase like a responsible. Stewards was word for word, yeah. word for word. So next, so here's again crack, worries that problem could increase. What happens to this? Remove the satellites from space. Here's also the remove satellites from space. Unlikely to prioritize removing satellites from space. It's paraphrased this way. Yes? They are not going to remove. They're not going to spend money to remove the satellites from space. Yeah, why they're not going to? So operators that become something are not going to, like remove satellites from space. So okay, so let's read from here, from this but. Pay attention to the but crack worries that problem could increase despite their best intentions. What happens to those? Those we mean like operators, yeah? Operators that go bankrupt, they don't have money yet to remove satellites from space. So I guess answer will become, it makes sense, yeah? If you don't have money, you don't if you're bankrupt, you don't have money yet to invest in something. Okay, so I think the answer is bankrupt that become bankrupt. Operators that become bankrupt. Bankrupt. Okay, let me write this way. Yeah, operators that become bankrupt, or it's paraphrased like those. It's like operators that, we cannot write go bankrupt because there is, by the instruction we can write only one word, so the answer is bankrupt. Yes, so that become bankrupt operators are unlikely to prioritize removing the satellites from space. So these are answers. What was sustainability? Yeah, so that's a noun. It was also noun. Explosions. So yeah, we found synonym for this, like a most important synonym will be the words that go before or after, yeah? So synonym for unused was like leftover, synonym for could was like a might, cause was paraphrased like lead to. Okay, so yeah, so answer is sustainability, fuel, explosions, bankrupt. One word. And nouns. Most of the time nouns are like nouns will be answers rather than adjectives, verbs.